Hello everybody! A while ago I bought these paper strips that have a layer of fine glitter on their edges and I haven't gotten the chance to use them until now. So for today's video I wanted to try them out and see what kind of pieces I can end up making using them. What I will show you today is a pair of earrings, and the sparkle on the paper is subtle enough to give them an elegant feel, so they are great to use in special occasions like weddings, baptizes and so on. My first shape, a circle looping, is done by using a comb with closed teeth. I did not make it big because I want my earrings to be medium size. For the second shape, I made an eccentric teardrop with the same comb. The third shape is the same eccentric teardrop again, but this time a little smaller than the second one. After these parts are out of the way, I made some small tight coils. I wanted to add something nice as a centerpiece, which also adds a bit more sparkle to my earrings, so guess what that will be? That's right, a pair of Swarovski crystals. I prepared some kind of support for each of them, just a circle coil which is a little thicker than normal, and then made also to have a 3D look, so I can put my crystal inside and glue it well, so it doesn't fall out and get lost. To be sure that doesn't happen, you can use some special glue for this kind of crystals, which you can find in craft stores or better online, usually on websites that also have Swarovski crystals. The next step is putting everything together. I already have my design picked out, but I spent quite some time before filming, trying different designs, combinations, and after a lot of tries, I ended up with this one. I had the fifth eccentric teardrop already done, same size as the small ones, and approximate same color with the crystal, so we add this one too. To make sure my two earrings match in size and arrangement, I got the one which was already complete to take a peek at it from time to time. It is very important for the earrings to be as similar as possible, even if they are handcrafted. When we are done with arranging them, we can proceed to attach the earring cuffs. And we are done. Hope you like the result. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you would have made any changes. Anyway, with just a few shapes, we ended up with a beautiful pair of earrings, and I really think that the Swarovski crystals add just the right amount of bling to give them a classy and elegant look. And on that note, someone famous once said that elegance is not about being noticed, it's about being remembered. In my initial process of creation, I was thinking of a pair from the turn of the century, like the ones you usually see in old movies. While I was working on these, another design popped in my mind, but you will see it in another video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. See you next time. Take care.